tell the people them say, you see, in order for you to get like a community center, it is not up to the MP, right? The community centers are mostly run by or started by like the SDC, Social Development Commission, right? And the local government, SDC is under local government, right? The MP, anything we have to do with the MP can only assist, not conceptualize and bill and whatever. They only can lobby, right? Because it look like we don't want the MP to sell something and do things for the community. Now, Esho Community Center, the youths were told that they need to start up a little group through STC, because our groups, community groups, them deal with, and they will take it, move from there to there. I know. Mr. Councillor Dixon had fixed the road up at Comsey, started to fix the road. Unfortunately, it get bad. Him start pave the road. Happy, or blessing come from to. Rest his soul. And he had promised the people that every time when he gets money, he will continue to fix the road so they can have a road, because it's parochial. Now the candidate, the Labour candidate, go up on it and say the MP. The Labour candidate don't even know the difference between parochial road and main road to backside. That's the next thing. Them don't know. You see, when you're misinformed and you just want to score political points, you come with peer rumors and talk peer verbal diarrhea. Peer verbal diarrhea come out of their mouth. And I don't even care now, you can post me upon the Facebook because it don't really matter me because my background. Just know. I have no feelings whatsoever, but I had to come out and talk. But anyways, enough of the labor rights. Now you have this fella right here. This is Mr. Omar Newell, the next member of parliament for Central St. Mary. Yes, Abs, that's how them stay. This man will be the next member of parliament for Central St. Mary. I'm not even asking, I'm telling you guys. Now, this man, as every other PNP person, them not like take things and tell people. I remember when we were walking and somebody came to this man and said, "You don't remember me?" Said, "No, you don't remember me." He said, "You know me, I try remember." And the person said, "You know, sir, like in 2017, you know, you did help me with X, Y, and Z." This is when this man wasn't up as no candidate or anything like that, you know. He was just a community person, right? Him not even remember who him help. Him not even remember who him help. Him never remember who him help, but him do it by the goodness of him heart. The very heart program where you see the little pitney them, the teenager them, and the young adults them can go on. He's a part of the team that conceptualized that initiative. Few art. It's on Google. Right? It's on Google. Now, instead of you identifying problems, create solutions. A big problem that I'm seeing all over Jamaica with farming now. A big problem that I'm seeing with farmers is that they get to farm, they get to grow their crops, but them can't find buyers. And this man, hey, the moderator no over here. Better $5 grand wrap in a. Anyways, as I was saying is that one big problem is that these farmers are, they find it hard to find buyers, right? And what Mr. Omar Newell, he has a program up at Farmers Heights, where he assists farmers to not only grow, right? not only provide the materials, but also when they reap, right? When they reap, he helps to find the buyers. So instead of you coming and talking all kind of problem, finding all kind of problem, like the people them don't know the problem they want them a face, right? Please come with some solutions. Another thing that they're worried about is flags. Well, on there. Another problem, them have problem with flag. The labor them have problem with flag. Them put on a 5 flag on one post down a Portman, and then them are gonna make it look as if PNP is taking down their flags. But I'm still seeing the 5 and 6 flags on each like post. So only thing that they can win with is flags. No, me know say usually me know say Facebook post that make already, but you have to come for me. Right? Me never decide to go foreign. I have visas. We have visas. Right? Me not decide to go foreign and say me at work or me am married and whatever. I stayed in Jamaica and I assist with growing my community. Right? I keep back to school treats. I give to the poor and needy, and I don't use politics in my thing. I don't tell people, I don't expect people to vote for my party just because I helped you. Me help you by the goodness of your heart, and who know me know. Like, no sir. Anyways, me I start take callers. You have to be a part of Central St. Mary from Central St. Mary. You can send your request. I want to hear about the officer. You can be P, you can be J. I want to hear if you come your songs, start with the disrespect. I will class you because I have time tonight. Anyways. Hey Jade, me see you. Me see you, Jade. Alright. Let me see. I can't tell you why to vote for Maraj. If you don't decide who you're voting for now, why should I tell you why to vote for Omar? Tyrell? Wanna tell me now? At this juncture, if you don't know if you not vote for PRJ, if you don't know if you not vote for PRJ, why me supposed to tell you why to vote for them? This undercover boss is about to fire this employee. What's up?
I'm here, darling. Good night. What's up?
I'm here. What's up? Now some people, I mean, what's a Facebook post start making up. Me know what's a Facebook post start make because these persons are reactive. They're not proactive. They're reactive. Wagwan.
There. I wait for the big day.
All the way away from the big day. And you have to come down. That's our first thing. You Lali, what happened? Come talk about Paji girl, because there you come from.
Girl, you say all the way you have to say about Paji already because if who has eyes to see, let them see. Back
That's
then when
right.
the pavilion was being renovated, I was the person keeping the key. And it posed a whole heap of problem. Because me know even you yourself during Councillor Dixon era, may his soul rest in peace, my political father. During Councillor Dixon era, Councillor Dixon and Dr. Morais Guy have them do some of the biggest Labor Day project them a Paji. When you pass Clements Park, gateway from the gateway to the all the way past the fence go straight up the road. All of the wall whitewash and all of the sidewalk clean up and pretty and nice. But now that's them feel like The park is a mess. The park is a laundromat. The park have more than 7 line in there. Line, literally, where people wash their clothes and go hang up over there. The pavilion, the grill, them gone. The door, them, some of the door, them, gone off of the building. Who have eyes to see, let them see. This is nothing a political clout or for nothing. What else can Dr. Morais Guy do? What him supposed to do? Come stand up there with long gun and keep guards so them the thief they sitting them and pop down the place? Pudgy people are them own contaminants when it come on to that park. When me smaller and there was Sports Development Foundation and Lotto that was fixed in some park all over Jamaica. Pudgy Park, I did one of the park them were fixed. Fence all the way around. Everything. Another thing that I need to talk about. The last time we have our Labor Day project, it is still on my Facebook page. The Floyd Morrison, Senator Floyd Morrison, give a nice flat screen TV over there. Where is that now? Where is it now? It is still on my Facebook page. Dr. Morais Guy and Floyd Morrison come to the presentation. Where is all of that? When me hear them talk, me not pay them no mind, you know. Because what I did in the dark have to come to light because me always have my receipt them. It is on my Facebook page. Even since the last Labor Day, because Facebook not forget nothing like myself, yeah. Facebook bring it up back and some people were still commenting on it. The Labor Day project we have more than 200 and add likes and how much comments on it. And one of the picture them in the Labor Day project when I post was the presentation of the TV being handed over. Where is it? The people in the community are their own contaminants and then them blame politicians. Yes. Dr. Guy and Mr. Dixon make more than how much community project going up here. We had a police youth club by the name of Links Police Youth Club that I run for approximately 10 years and beyond. And we got a sponsor from National Council on Drug Abuse and we placed a notice board right at the front of the park there. So where is the notice board now? Where is it now? And it's a concrete thing. Where is it now? Because everything these people put the big P in and they are not looking on the development and they're not sustain the development. For no say we are sustaining this for future generation. Me have 3 kids and one of them alone go over the park go play. And it's because me can do better because he's a teenager. I really want him to interact with him peers. When we do much beach cleanup and Dr. Guy carry this gentleman by the name of Mr. Ferguson from Recycle Jamaica to come give how much money in a check and stuff and refreshment and all of that. And we lay the charge and do how much beach cleanup. Now Inga is doing it. Who helped Inga more than Mr. Newell and Christine and some other little people? When Inga was doing her thing the other day and she wanted to do bonfire and the fireworks and they take her idea. They were at the meeting and they take away her idea and run with it and use it for political clout.
Morais do it. Call him.
Yes, he does.
Okay.
And run with it for political clout. These are the things that we need to talk about and what we need to stand up with one another about. Because she has good ideas, really Pudgy Fisher folks, because some of the times I can't get to go to the meetings all the time, but I go most of the time. And when that letter was being formulated for the bonfire and the fireworks, I was there. I can testify to that. And when she take it to the parish council then, it was Mr. Creary that was the mayor then. And that and then after that, Mr. Morais ending up with her idea. How come? How come? Because them steal it. But they must continue talk and then the Pudgy Fisher folks are going to put out their letter. They are going to post their letter to let them see that this wasn't your idea, sir. It is something that you have stolen.
Why I want some labor right for some central set me leave right run up in our box right now because more
They're not going to, Kitty. They are not going to, because when we talk about development,
know all the flag them a come down over Islington that are next thing, but me not deal with the tribal politics business though.
exactly, we're not going to do this stuff because that is gutter politics. Taking down the flag.
You see, these are the same persons who you never see them say, all right, them are going to sweep up the side of them road for Labor Day, cut down some bush, but they're expecting politicians to do, right, do the green team, you business about Bobby down there so right now, because Bobby in a problem, no come down. But
You know who tell green team say the comrade them a switch? You think comrade a idiot? Remember, say socialist and a fool. Socialist and a fool.
Which PNP you see a switch to Labour, right? I am yet to see that.
You know what I don't understand with these people? It is the same thing that you say in local government. In local government, the councillor where them claim to say work the most and him lose the bitters.
Anyways,
Him lose the bit. Him lose so bitter. So till up until now, I can't see him face now in a Port Maria.
Who that? That's a Smiley?
Him same one. I hear Smiley same labor right them when time local government come. Say them never know say Smiley could have drive and the van window wind down. Because when time him a passing wind up in window from everybody.
Mitzi too. But we talk about that. But we talk about you have a division where you're not no councillor. Cause call it say, them really don't have no councillor. Cause this woman drive up and down with her window up, right? And because some people know her car, they know say she, right? When you talk about community development, Mitzi don't know nothing like that in a mythic vocabulary. No, not talk.
Exactly.
Right? And I am happy. And I am happy that Dr. Morais Guy did stand up in a parliament to Corinthia because she went and she was talking about MP should assist councillors and Ray and Tay, and then she mentioned Dr. Morais Guy, you have a council that when they Mitzi whatever she want name, and even now when Mitzi Hudson, right? Councillor Mitzi Hudson and Dr. Guy, you have to turn up and foot and say, listen to me. Anything we run through the office, Mitzi get help with it with our division. Anything I give away, right? Through central government, Mitzi gets.
I hear it, and then doctor even correct her to tell her that she did not send in not even a list of her beneficiaries, even though she collected what she was supposed to.
That is asked because you can't deal with government resources like that. If there is a list that is supposed to be provided after you distribute whatever, you need to provide that to the government. So the auditors them now go say, say you can't account for whatever this issued out. And
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
So at them things that them to talk about, them have a council over there with no business more them. Right? We have a mayor, right? We did have a mayor, a Labour mayor, when the town, the garbage never there collect on time, right? It just build up. The garbage is still building up, but it's better, right? And don't make me even start with solid waste right now, because I have a gross water I get that's where me come from. And I go and post it for my TikTok and they have to do something about it, right? We have a mayor now. The mayor was there before, the Labour mayor. When every rainfall, the whole of Port Maria wash away. Right? Now, we have a PNP mayor. Mayor is worship the mayor, Fitzroy Wilson. And they realize that the town don't smell like shit anymore. Right? The town is clean. The sidewalks are clean. I can walk on the sidewalks freely, right? But now if you go on the road because the vendor them get cleaned up off of the side, right? When they talk about the drains, they're being maintained, they're being clean. That's the next thing, right? When we had the heavy rainfalls, me said the whole of Port Maria did a stress out a worry, and I said, Jesus, we're probably gonna get flooded out again. right?
But
People have to start put sandbag on NHD over NHD, you know. They put a sandbag in front of them place thinking that because there was a weekend, they thought that the place they got flood out,
Kitty,
right?
that happened
And
because
the mayor, thank you, Jesus, for the mayor will ensure say, yeah, if I did query, I didn't mean to say thank you query. So I'm not deal with the uno hypocrite green tea. I'm not very hypocritical. Anyways, thank you, Jesus, for Mayor Wilson who intervened in all of that, right? The money may not be big. They don't have a lot of money to clean all drains, but they did the most important ones that caused the flooding in Port Maria. And
but
that's
Kitty, there's a difference when there's a difference when things is being done properly because I can attest to His Worship the Mayor Wilson standing up in Port Maria in a the big Sunday, ensuring that all of them little what me da call it now, them little grill there, we cover the drain them, lift up, dig out, the water commission, the fire truck come and wash it out, wash out all underneath them, and all of those things. Stand up in the Sunday, make sure him house comfortable and his wife they look about him dinner, but him stand up out there as the head of the team and lead from the helm and stay out there with the work of them, stay out there with the fire brigade and make sure say things is being done properly. Another thing, the other day I was walking up the seaside road and I saw that drain from the bus terminus will lead out right beside the examination depot there, so that drain hasn't been cleaned since the JLP them did take over the entire parish council. Thank God for Mayor Wilson, and it is being clean now. Around this and smell that awful again. Yes. All of the drain on Warner Street coming down clean. And I'm not talking about clean and them throw the debris on the road. When the debris is been put on the road, there's a truck there and men there throwing the things in the truck so that they can be removed. Then I left them there. When rainfall, they wash back in the gutter. Yes, everything move off of the roadside. Another thing is, me not really left off of the Clements Park, he say yet. The JLP candidate is such a hypocrite because I can remember a couple of years back, maybe before him get sting, say him want to become MP for Central St. Mary. Him and one of the people them will keep street at the park because he having dancing at the community and he claim to say he want to give back. And him come and congratulate Dr. Guy and fixing that pavilion. But now they are using them are say otherwise. They are saying otherwise. That to show you how them are double-edged sword, them are two-faced. Because he might use that the pavilion there more than 4 or 5 years back. And now he's acting as if I hear you mention the lights. If it wasn't for Dr. Morais Guy, no light would not in there, for no night match keep. And what they and what them now look on in them just look on one side of the can. The lights uplift the community in a many ways because when the night leagues keep, people come out, come sell and do them and that's earning money. And the night match also shed a little positive light on Paji also. Because people can say, you know, I look forward going to Paji on Sunday nights for the night match. If it wasn't for Dr. Morais Guy, the 10 or the 12 light in the park, it wouldn't magically come there. So it costs money and something more have to lobby for to come there. So I don't know why this man is being, why Mr. Maraj is being so hypocritical. Right at this moment, I draw my line on him because he does something very, very awful. I not even want to talk about it. I don't want to bring you up because I don't put him in space already and put him exactly where he's supposed to be. And him know where him stand with me. So him know him enough to run up Because if he run up, he might run up in the giant slay and me I go slay him. And just because I don't want to talk certain things. Because I don't know how you are run for office and you can be so cheeky and you can full of so much bullshit.
No, sir. The person said about brown envelope is not development. What Bobby ever did on Western? You know, so me nah stray away from. Me no want stray away from.
Where you coming from?
I don't want to stray away from Central. But if Bobby was so good, he would have been at the front as the chairman for the Jamaica Labour Party. He shouldn't have lost 3 out of his 5 divisions and retreat just win under backups. Best believe. But let's go back to Mr. Omar Newell. Come here, Eulalie. Come and talk because them did have 2020. Green team. You know, I'm not answer, you know, because you see, because I used to work down there. I not even make, because me I go preach to why? Anyways, so, Dan Pan, you are a moderator. You are a moderator. Now, green team, let me ask you something. The MP have fixed the clinic? Is it the MP who is fixing the clinic? Right now, uno down a Western. Hello, you never come and get clinic? We have a clinic right now. I'm sorry, I can't, but I forgot to drive go this right now and show you the clinic. We have the best clinic in the parish. Usually, what they call the hospital is a type A, type C. I think the clinic is a type C. I don't know. I forgot to get the information there. When you can run up in a I get clinic, sir, or ma'am, whoever control it. Listen to me. When I talk about clinic, about clinic down at Western, in the back of time, Bobby did it too long for that just to happen. We talk about the clinic up at I get.
Angie, when exactly at that I didn't talk, say when Daka go at him I go step up to the plate, so I want to know how all of a sudden now PNP become poison to him.
Hold on, though. I get one message. I'm getting a message. No, me need a labor right for coming at the box. At that, me need a labor right. Central St. Mary people. And then they are defend now. Me don't want nobody else. Right?
Me hear somebody did a talk about the road. Me can attest to, you see, the roads weren't maintained under the 9 year of the JLP, because I can remember every time when it come on to like Christmas, Independence, Dr. Guy have a team of people we are come fix from Paggy Road, Islington, Quebec, all of them road they are fixed. I don't see that go on again. I don't see that go on under the JLP.
No, but
government.
I don't understand. You know, I don't understand the Jamaica Labour Party who would have blamed the bad conditions of the road. No, right? In any constituency, they're blaming the PNP, where I am sure that if the roads were being maintained, they would have been at the best. No, right? And I'm sure under the 18 years when the PNP them did rule, me sure the road did good. I am a daughter of a former taxi man. That means
can't talk about road when it come on to PNP.
I am a daughter of a former taxi man. Meaning so from me I go be at school me up and down with my father while my mother gonna work. And I can remember that there weren't as much potholes as when we see now all over Jamaica. I'm used to traverse from Linstead, Highgate, Port Maria, Kingston, Spanish Town, come round back. Westmoreland, right? Those them Manchester, where my mother said her family come from. And this is a time where we have the worst roads.
Ever. Ever. The worst set of roads ever.
Oh, me know that. You see, because my father used to do charter, like in a day, I used to drive a ladder. So you know, say anything, if you're bouncing a one patrol, the trunk I gonna feel it, the back of the car I gonna feel it the most, not the front. And when me used to in the back of the car, right? Me never used to a jiggle. So when me I go to junction, and them place there, me never see so much bush. And since we're big now, there's so much bush we grow over the road, and there's no maintenance whatsoever.
Kitty, it is not in the right of the
when you
GLP
talk
to
about
talk about
road,
road
when you
with the
talk about
PNP
when you talk
because
about the road from
yeah,
Portland Point to Negril Point or to Montego Bay, PNP did that.
exactly. You know, hear them brand PJ and say PJ are the prime minister. Wetson evidently can't track a Jamaica in a highway. PJ parties to do that. PJ son every donkey can track a Jamaica in a highway. I can remember when I was much smaller, there was a flood and PJ parties to come to Port Maria. And I can remember me did small then time there, me did small. And PJ come up Port Maria and Padgy in a way me live in a Mona, mud up to your ankle and PJ put on a water boot and walk over Mona and I can't forget. There's this lady, she's living abroad now, her name is Hillary. Hillary lift up PJ party so. At the first we saw a woman strong so. She lift up PJ and walk with PJ. Kitty, you see the next week, or about a couple days after before the week start, all of the road, machine come and rip up the road from Kirkchurch straight to Islington. New road. You see all of the debris off of the road, them use it and dump in a Mona. So we could have a proper place for walk and we not have it full of mud. May I tell you, every nabble grabble of the road fix. From up there so go straight to Islington New Road. The road well paved and nice. And you see, even after the road finished fixed, there was people who did that to their house. And I can remember this from a small. And then got Quebec with them crocus bag and go take up the rest of the gravel and the rest of the mall off of the road. And it wasn't a problem.
Good night.
So I don't understand how these people are talking about road now. And PJ turn every donkey car track a Jamaica in a road. Everywhere. PJ fix all road. Every single road PJ fix. And after PJ Patterson had left, all of those roads were being maintained. So what go on now? Eh? The road maintenance. The road maintenance don't go on no more.
I feel laugh. I say, Eulalie, I feel laugh. You know why? They're blaming the condition of the roads now. If you check back, JLP in a power for 15 or the 14 out of the last 15 years now. And you're going to blame PNP when they talk about NWA roads. Any road at all, it is through central government. Right?
Exactly.
So we're not gonna blame the MP, then we just sit down and represent their constituency, and not the ministers and the permanent secretaries that sit down in these ministries for the mismanagement of funds. And you're not gonna blame the JLP administration, say partners parking at the constituency, and the MP would have put out in slate, and the people then would have come at the consultation and make them recommendations and lobby for the road, and they would then want to fix. And you're gonna blame the MP for that, and not the central government. You not blame the JLP, so them are victimized central St. Mary. No, make no sense. Sorry for the bad word. When they just piss me off sometimes for the verbal diarrhea, then we are come out of their mouth. Right? I don't understand how them really sit down. I was on a live and them mute me. The lady say, Dr. Guy get money for fix road. Like you think say some government money go. Like government money really go so like MP can be allocated money to fix road and in divert it in something else. Like I really want to know if I really saw government money go. Me really want to know. Me really want. Me really want.
Me am married.
Mary.
Me really want to know.
Tell him to make on the road.
But Sandra and Marie, Sandra Williams.
Yo.
Oi,
Oh, what they want?
what they go on?
Down in Hanover, you're nice, man. We ain't got good road. PG fix good road, give it. And if I niggle, we don't know what would I do. A niggle. Boss the whole of we down here. We don't have to come to Kingston. And when time we walk, we get good money. You can't turn labor right. Not under me dead body and every time me dead to ass.
Which is right.
Yes, Sandra.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Nice down pan the west here. No labor right no down here. 1 and 2 labor right you find. 1 and 2 labor right. No there.
None of there. None of there. What is keeping tonight, Dushan? PNP a keep, Central St. Mary a keep.
Man.
Right?
Man, we nice, you know, man. We nice down here. No labor right no down here.
But Sandra, you know, she said the labor right, they must tell you, say, we fi choose Jamaica now. So them never did I choose Jamaica the first and second term.
Thank you.
Prosperity run out, man.
Then done.
If prosperity
done.
done, you got it at 20 bank account.
What do you man? They done down here so.
What going over here, so you know?
What go on now?
Let me tell you something. You see what Mr. Mandy do to Western Hanover?
Over there,
If me if it stop work now, me no work as long as me live. Well set into the whole of we down here. Yeah, we well set.
Like, you know, the other day,
Yeah, man.
no, not you. I think it was 2 days ago. One labor right, Senator named 5 things that PNP has done for Central St. Mary in 72 years. I mean, me reach to 25 and the man start cussing. And I said,
I saw them here. That's how they are.
Me tell them so where me live, the piece of land them. Nobody not supposed to vote labor right out there so because I want to go and bush and one place named Preston Land Brookway and most of the vote they come from one place named Preston Land and Horace Clark cut up the whole island of Preston and give them free of cost.
Yeah, man. True.
$1,000 for that land.
Yeah.
And
They have land title.
I went to St. Mary High School and for 5 years I don't pay off school fee. I mean know that.
All right.
And there are a lot of things that we can attest to, but only thing with Dr. Guy kind of drop down, you know, he's kind of allergic to road and water. I don't know, he have a flow back too. So that are the only talking point they have, and which is not really much. Because
Dr. Guy is not allergic to that, Damien. How can a man fix road and not get money to fix it?
we know all of that. I mean, they're not certain places we do. And me not think no road bad over Western St. Mary, to be honest with you. Over there, so all that bad road in there. I mean, know that. And they have a JP and MP over the years, right? Spin them and turn them and twist them to the like that. But the fact is that, you only tell them, say, you don't need fear back and forth to the labor right now. Okay? It don't really make no sense. You have to work with your blood pressure. We just need to run our race, do what we need to do, mobilize the people, them, educate them, get them out when the time is come. And not easy, because this I we don't see it in but this will be one of the easy selection for PNP, you know, as long as we just do the right thing, you know, because labor right make it easier to do it day by day.
Day by day. Even
Day
today,
by day.
when me see the protest today, when me see the corruption protest today, I feel so proud I'm a comer them. But sorry, me have one vehicle to jump in and go back Kingston, go join them. And then now, when me hear the Prime Minister say, team people then for come out, come protest. It wasn't even a protest. They drink liquor and them a go on and them a go on and them a go on. Me feel say, Then them people are distasteful and stay body. Then this them a talk about choose Jamaica. Them little bit bitter man. Me don't know what me to them.
Why me
Them
no?
at them cut Jesus slippers and put on pan head.
Why me no? Why me no
Right,
really?
them too wicked.
Why me no really follow up labor right much, you know? I mean, no
Renegade,
really
big up
sell up much.
yourself, walk along.
But not much. My mother and my grandmother them and my auntie them are the biggest labor. So my sister the biggest labor right them in a central Saint Mary. So that's why me no follow up, you know, because me no want them get caught in a crossfire. Because there's a lot of things where me know and certain people know say me know. And when me and if me come with some things, then know me I come with facts. But me no want my mother get in a crossfire. Because me I tell her forward, me say she come with me say, Mama, left this one here alone. Because I war this, you know, why I get, a stray bullet catch up. So, left Facebook alone, and when you hear them a cuss and I go and no comment nothing, because I do what you're getting a crossfire. That's why me really not really follow up with much, because them know there's a lot of things. Because me tell you something, only, me never see nobody stone empty mango tree, you know. So, me would never even try to even have a conversation with that neighbor, to be honest with you. Because it don't really make no sense. Because, me tell you, Central St. Mary, nobody feel say no new labor right coming out. The same set of old labor right me know from me a little boy I grow at them same way I make pay nice.
Same one them.
No different. And the thing was to make you understand. Them a wear dirty green shirt. Cause by the little $100 Oreo green shirt, they make a right choose Jamaica pan and then if you get some decent green shirt again. And then they see a pass with a handband for your hand, they start cuss.
No, because them is so petty that they feel like they can make up everybody mind for them. Mr. Marian did I say something about development in the chat earlier. Marian, me can remember when it's when Philip Palwell launched the free Wi-Fi on the JUTC bus. I was a part of that history in the making at the Jamaica College. Me and some of my fellow clubite them, we were there. When Roger Clark can tell them say, may his soul rest in peace because of PNP, man now if you take out no paper for write down no number, you can't have two cellular phone, one pan the left and one pan the right. Then did ridicule him. And look what is going on now. Look what is going on now. Because they were so dumb. My four parents then tell me, say, when Michael Manley come with land lease and I promote farming and self-reliance, Mr. Siago say, we're not going to make them pick them on a send to college, come wear dirty stain up clothes because Mr. Siago didn't know then that farming was such a lucrative earning. And you see, farming gone way past where them did think right now. Way past it. Because farming is technology. Farming when you can feed yourself as a nation, nothing to beat that. Nothing at all don't beat that.
So true.
Today I see one of my friends sent me like a little speech that Abraham Traore was he was like encouraging Jamaica. I must send out a message to it. And me I tell you, yes, when time I listening, when me listening, me I say, oh my God. Oh my God. This is so heartrending. Because if you can have somebody from we are Burkina Faso, Africa, I tell you about we music and we artists them and we know if we just take we self and we know if we just consider ourselves to do one little dot on the map and all of these things. Why our leaders, why our leaders can't see that? Why?
Yeah, Navlet, good night. Navlet. Navlet, me I gotta take you out. Take you out, Navlet. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, when I talk about housing development, PNP always believe in that people have to own land, people have to live somewhere, right? And I remember when somebody told me that up at Frontier Heights was once named Manly Heights because I was them Manly give them land. I must not so you Lally, you are the historian more than me. I come from up here, so right? I remember.
See, I'm not really historian, but you see, when they have this saying to say that the elders know the past than the youngsters. The only thing the youngsters do is walk faster. So I learn from the elders. And when my elders them attack, I listen keenly. Michael Manley from Ewoodal straight back. Michael Manley make people own land, have land title, give them land lease, encourage them to farm, and all of these things. If you notice, even now, you visit some of the elders and them still a tell about Manly name live on. Them still tell about Manly and them tell about Manly time and how Manly help them and where Manly bring them from. So I have to listen and learn. And first hand experience, when me read up and know about for myself, you see when time me read about Coral Gardens massacre, tears come to my eyes, knowing say in a this day and age, because of the People's National Party, me can grow my locks and me can make my kids them grow locks and they are not being ridiculed and we are not being ostracized and marginalized. And even when I look back on the Tivoli incursion, these two scenarios supposed to show Jamaica people how inhumane the Jamaica Labour Party be. Because there is no way you can beat people and treat them like animal because of their religion. You gotta tell police to shoot them and ask them question after. That are the simple scenario of dead man tell no tales. And then when we look on the Tivoli incursion, what they have done to their own, what they do to their own, and their own people, them they are Tivoli, and look on the inhumane treatment where them go through down there. When we read about them things, yeah, and me analyze, me could have never, ever, ever take up myself about me a labor right. You crazy?
Sorry for the silence, cause I'm here but trying to mold. Me I try ride and whistle, right? Um, you remember the video that a young lady was talking about a labor right? The girl from Islington attack say she a take down flag and whatever, and she's saying that um God bless her that she no want help to send her picnic or college. She will work on her development she want. Like as what I did said before, is that the body could do nothing else. You know the CDF MPs have to do that, right? And $20 million cannot do shit in a constituency full of 48,000 constituents. They can't help them, you can't do nothing. Right? So you have to think about the person's welfare. I don't know if you understand if anyone are picking them want to become a doctor. You know, last year, UA at the University of the West Indies, one student who wants to study medicine, their college tuition is 28,000 USD dollars, right? And student loan only gives max $1 million. Then not more than that, not a dollar more, right? And I am sure, because I don't know who she's talking on behalf of, but I can tell you that students who are a part of Central St. Mary and other constituencies where the MPs would have assisted with college tuition, they are well appreciative and me know say it stop a gap. Like they don't understand that educated nation is a part of development in a country.
When name crumbs, where crumbs are talk about crumbs.
Oh,
We don't we history, we last. Crumbs are we history are the guiding part to we future. So if we not have history, if we don't have a past, we can't move forward to the future, crumbs. Listen properly, please.
listen Crumbs, no watch Crumbs, don't watch Crumbs, them
See,
alright.
you know, say, me I go put you to, me I go put you onto one of we comrade them, cause you see the same person we are quarrel about the flag and something. Me I go make one of we comrade then give history about she because she get help from we all the while.
Me never want hear from them, but I am just saying that hearing them type of talking they last. It's very much last. Imagine a student who is right. In order for you to put up big buildings, say you have to have your architect, your road, and in able to have your road them to be good, have good drainage system and make good. You need engineers, right? In order for these persons to get the skill, qualified bachelors, masters, whatever they're supposed to be getting to be a part of those professions, they have to go to school. If the people them can't find money for go to school, then they're not gonna have the engineering continuously import workers, which is bad, right? And I don't think persons look at that. Me tell us say a developed, a educated nation is a part of development in any country whatsoever. You see Cuba, if you realize with Cuba, they're under the embargo, right? And the majority of the stuff that we get, we get it from the US, the raw materials and stuff like that. Cuba was able to survive on their own because every single person is educated. They can strive on their own. And I remember going to a seminar. It's not a seminar. It was like a meeting when I was a part of the women's movement at the PNP. We met with the Women Federation in Cuba. It was a video call. It was a video conference call, and we asked questions on how they survived through even COVID. And they were able to tell us that, hey, the doctors and the whoever, the mixer people, them medicine people there that make vaccines and stuff, they were able to do that on their own, right? They were able to make protective gears on their own, and they were able to curtail the COVID over for them country, right? You see the example? Now, when you have a country full of dunce people, now when I know them head from them tail, a skill is good, right? But when you have some dunce people and a country full of papier and educated people now, the country now gonna move nowhere because guess what? You're gonna have the rich people them up at top. We're gonna forever tell them foolishness and easily for leading us straight. We don't have a head piece for yourself. We not gonna have a head piece for yourself, and that's on the problem. And that is the reason why this young lady is saying that she doesn't want any grants, don't want any college grants to send putting them go to school, for send putting them go to college. Me would pay me with. Can you find if your pitney says then one guy, if you have a 18 or a 17-year-old pitney, and the pitney said they want to study medicine, you can't force them in a one different profession where them don't want. Them say they want to study medicine, and you go up a UA, and you say 28,000 USD for your school fee, for them school fee. You are gonna work and find that? Outside of student loan that gives you 1 mil, and if your child is not probably excelling properly, sometimes they can't, they're not gonna get little scholarship, right? They're not gonna get little scholarship and so you have to find, because 28,000 would be like 4 mil. You have to go find 3 mil more, plus you have to find your damn fee. Because remember, say once the student is studying medicine, it's really not feasible for them to be traveling up and down after classes, before classes, a long journey from the yard to come to school. Because some pitney them brain not, you know, them will not so strong, right? You are gonna say you don't wanna help, right? Sister, you're pitney go to school. That's crazy. You're pitney, although they say pitney and a pension, but them backward thinking they make Andra do no this. Them backward thinking there and make Andra leave uno astray, lead uno astray. But guess what? Omar Newell go and deal with uno. Continue to take down the flag them over Islington. Continue. I heard you Lali, and know say call me get to that too. One of the man them were in the take down flag business. The person called the person name who take down the flag them. And when they call the name, him say one way I said Dr. Guy never do nothing. Dr. Guy help that same man. Same man. The man say he want to start jerk center over Islington and he want help. Must say fix up something jerk center sitting and it's a good idea. That man could never say that in front of my face because I know what Dr. Guy did for him. But Dr. Guy don't like to talk and tell people nothing. Doctor,
that is so true. PNP, that's why I love the MP.
Yes.
Yeah, man, a man with dignity and integrity. You know, walk within camera when him help nobody. That are the good thing about my MP. You don't walk within camera when him give nobody nothing.
Your community is supposed to start to be uplifted by you who live in the community.
Exactly.
You're supposed to start a little NGO them, right? The little NGO them, the little youth group, the little sporting group and whatever. You reach out to the MP, say, yo, I need some help to do this, do that, do that. It's all right. Labor Day, I cut down some grass, clear the football field. We need some food and some gas to put on the workers to lick it up, to cut down the grass. And I believe in them someday. And the MP and the councillor them to come there and do it for you. And you live in the same community.
True, Camille. People will give from their heart no need camera.
You same one live in the community. You same one live in the community. That's a sad reality that we're living in. You labor rights of Central St. Mary. We only pop up every 5 years and pretend like we don't believe in a community development or not help to develop our own community. One little community meeting, town hall meeting I keep. Uno see one never even try for drag on a foot and go to the community meeting and ask the relevant agencies that are at the community meeting what is going on. Solid Waste are at these meetings, JPS are at these meetings, NWC are at these meetings, JPS they are at these meetings, right? And you never see fit to attend these meetings to express your growth of what is going on in your community. At the MP, you know, left with everything. No business about food, no business about food, community at all.
If it up to some of these people that come like an MP, they want to come put on them pot and cook them dinner, all kind of things to them. You know, realize that
the MP, if you cut the grass in front of them yard, tear down the grass them where they cross the road from their yard, and that they want. You know, me I drive from Knotsfield to Robbins Bay. I mean, I look on it and I say, you know, all MPs would get monies like in a December to do bolo work, to give up bolo work, to clean the roadsides and stuff like that. I mean, I look on it and I say, you know, so them people are damn wicked. Them are going to blame MP because one, the grass them grow in the road and they're going to think about their safety, but they're expecting the council and the MP to cut the road, to cut off the grass them off of the road. That's like when people are worthless set of people them what we have. Me now hold down my mouth and talk. You know, business about that. So the Labor Day, the Labor right them Labor Day was to paint their JLP headquarters up at Top Street.
Kitty gone are the days when people have civic pride in their country and them place, you know. Them are people I don't know when you're so now, you know.
This a man I go mad, you know.
Them are people I don't know.
I'm not gonna talk everything about Omar Newell, but all I can say that Central St. Mary is doing well with Mr. Newell.
Right,
That
true.
with my chest held high. Yes,
True, my darling. Right, true.
we're doing well. Charlie Hyatt. Charlie Hyatt. All right, we realize. Red Rose. Red Rose 53. What's that? You sleep. I was asleep. All right. Tony Wagwan.
What's up, Wagwan?
Like how you come down
Yes,
and I see me see in a picture.
sure, man. Me
I see
say,
me see
man,
in
me
a
never get,
picture.
me not get no time for do nothing. Me head all over the place. Me just, my girl, me I tell you. But I'm telling you, all when we there so, with mine still they down there so. And we miss everything. Me skin all a scratch me feel Sunday I come here right now, me I tell you.
Oh, Thursday
We
I
come like
come.
a Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, girl. But you see, I wish liberate you know have ambition. You know when you liberate with ambition?
None whatsoever. You have one way sell beside a KFC back to go round and for your PD runner. The P round this so
Run
round.
a green beer, run a green beer.
Yeah, round this so we love talk and talk.
Yeah,
All
yeah, me
kind
know
of
yeah that. Yeah,
foolishness for them
yeah,
a shot. And then
yeah.
you know them no live nowhere themselves.
Look pa Mason now where they say them all get water. They get it yet?
No. But they have to call because me not believe everything what people talk on social media, you know. And you know, say I call me have a friend when live on Masonal. I'm ask the girl, I say, girl, you get water? The girl said, well, there was a little stand type something in front of her and that she see cigar bed and she come back and don't see it.
You see it? You see me I talk about big up Camille, big up my girl, big
Shakira
up my
said it was a
sister.
prank. It was a prank.
Yeah,
I
The
really
thing
prank
the
you
thing
too.
the thing so we
it
say
was a prank.
a week
I think.
a fool. No matter who you send go down there, PNP are go win back Western Sydney. Then I see I remember before local government when the YO did help big also canvas Rokobesa. And I remember going up that place where them turn now and road now. It was a track. And me I tell us me I go up and when me look down, me say backside when me reach up here so is a damn track.
Wow.
So imagine the people that will have road for go up this or no.
Yep,
Right?
yep,
Imagine what them
yep.
have to go through.
Me see
And I'm
Omar
so
put
proud
up.
for them.
We see Omar put up the mirror that the people can see when they might come or go. I'm so proud of him.
To labor
I
right
am, and look how
You
long Mitzi,
never
look
tear
how
him down
long
underneath about fix road before you put up
that. But I mean,
boundary.
I know Mitzi. The time Mitzi figure fix road, Mitzi a breed. Mitzi not have no time for them. And then for talk about. You know, bother with me, cause see me mouth no suffer pretty, you know. I mean, no one them start pan Dr. Guy and Omar, cause what Dr. Guy do, what them a talk about Dr. Guy no do, what Andrew do, what Andrew do. Dr. Guy do enough liberate me can contest to that, so they can't talk to me. Tell them no bother with we. Cause see me mouth no pretty. Yes, Camille, why you call me for me a talk? Me mouth boss.
Camille want tell if you all your asses Auntie Chuni, all
Your
Nah,
mouth,
worry.
your mouth.
Me nah worry.
Mr. Look all
Don't
the
let them
people
come at
them
me.
about 3 mayors in put up in him only post one. Him put up one at the top of Gully Road that I get because really and truly when we are come out, we are drive, come out of Gully Road, we can't see what up and down. If somebody is not there at the intersection, I tell we say, all right, you can come out, we can't know. We just a chance if we drive out. And another one I think is in Rose and I heard that the people receive it very, very well. They receive it very, very well.
Then
So,
glad for it because that's a good thing.
safety,
That's a
road
good thing. In
safety.
time, the time where people did they talk about this and that, then fi still acknowledge what the people where Omar doing and be happy for it and glad for it and grab up with 2 arms and stop going like them a idiot.
Them
Me don't
always
know all labor rights so done and fool.
them always do. They never see them people in the community meet. Hey, listen to me. Maybe go roll out the spark picture them and make them know so them own a council and mixing never be at the spark consultation to lobby for your road them. So the air with the road we are going to fix on the spark and Pilankali road we are fix now is because of
Camille, you done with me, Camille? Why?
Of Vivian Silvera, who is the caretaker, to lobby for the road them.
And them a talk about all the youth, what kind of community, the center, whatever. Them a talk, that's not Dr. Guy's business. That's for Dr. Guy. Everything you call the right guy name. You don't call the right guy name so.
Wait name Tony community center, don't it?
Yeah.
Alright. Community center. Okay.
So why you not come at Dr. Guy, the right guy, the 5-star general? You can talk to 5-star. And if you don't have a give man next chance at 6, you don't get in no. Hey, you know stop, you know. You know stop.
Ryan.
Stop trouble people.
Ryan.
Where Ryan there?
Ryan. We just invite him. Ryan have to come.
Man.
Ryan,
Why
come
me tell you, girl, if there's nothing happening, I know when me hope you so. You know how much it crutch me. Me drive up here, me drive out of the with that in a driver back the with that in the driver back the no a Lego in Camille, me driver hope you with me. Ryan. We can't bother. Ryan come invite. You not come in my box. Come in my box, right?
Orange helmet there for me there, please. Cause Ryan have an orange helmet and no normal, you know.
Right now, Trini, me driver, me don't want you right now. Don't me I have to go down. We have to go book ticket and go down. If I'm on the boat, we have to go down.
Tony, you come down for election, though.
Yeah, man, me come down.
You have to come down. Dan Wiz.
Me and Ryan, I come in orange here. Me know that. Me not ask Christ.
Dan Wiz. You just come here and come take enough space in my box.
I know where Andrew wait panina. I don't know where Andrew.
Come in at the box.
I don't know where Andrew wait pan. I will want Andrew call it. Call it Andrew.
I've tried patch up with Stapley.
But the longer in take, you know, the longer in take are the other things. So better just.
Let's say you have a candidate where you have Jamaica where the literacy rate are gone down, and then you go want an MP we can't even read good. I got add
Mr. Man. Somebody sent Maraj a recitation. Did I say in a recitation? In a do recitation. In my recite. Me say me can't bother. Me say me lick the somebody through the phone. You know, want to send this to me for man. So wicked to me, man. So then that somebody them I put against Omar. Me can't bother, yeah, man. Me say me lick that somebody through the phone. You know, me couldn't do this to me, man. Where really I say, I'm
enlightened. I'm enlightened.
Me can't bother, yeah, man. And then the jacket just tight. The jacket just tight and short for Panny. Me I said, Lord have mercy. What is Panny, man?
I am not reading from any of those fancy folders. I'm reading from my phone.
Me can't bother. Me say, why make them do this to Maraj, man?
Naras.
No, sir. Me say the boy. Me say, me I kill you. Me not do nothing, man. You soon come down. I go and come. Oh, Maraj, come down now.
Come down.
Maraj, come down right now. Can't bother.
Murderation, botheration, all kind of ration.
Kind of ration because I don't know where make them put Maraj. When Maraj make them trouble, man, put him better in the igloo, you know. Me can't bother, yeah, man. This man, me want cry.
In prefer tan in police, but No,
Yeah, it better and it stay when the police and go doing igloo and go and do him and do. Where you mash up your career for this one, me nah go work out for him. I don't know if marriage no wish I think start much less to finish.
So you have the place locked to me. My dad.
Where? In Apache?
not even Pajima Black Miss.
You can't bother. You can't
Black
bother.
where?
I don't know where marriage do to
You
yourself.
keep big party every year on Apache, and the only thing you can give people them a little back to school trip, 1 or 2 times.
But me
Right?
here say
Don't
them
develop
boycott
into
them
Apache.
boycott the igloo one night and no go and see my igloo the other night me here.
Here, me, I was a big igloo goer, and from me,
Come me leave me alone and make me talk. What you want him to take me down for? I can't bother no man.
Shakira, the labor they're so delusional because they're saying that
Lord Jesus.
they will be the mouthpiece for Mirage. What can go so? So yeah, I said,
No, yeah, me that really, hey,
Mirage
if
do
you never
what
put up
every year.
Morais Guy Omar up them, no go kill off people, you know.
No,
Because me no know.
it can't go on. Because if you ask even the labor right them on what basis did they choose Mirage as their candidate, them can't even tell you. I must say car on a igloo ram.
Let me go tell you, let me go say because the igloo. And in a ram again, need a kind of ram the other day because everybody boycott him here. When let me know you said them see the kitty.
Me, Dina don't see me nowhere. I lie my tell me. Mirage labor, me not go them place. Don't go them place there. And then him go have the audacity. No must me would have fling one buckle. Me hear say labor rights song, them play labor rights song today. Me no must have forgot fling one buckle.
All that they know make me need me that all that no know me know say that's it, you know. Hey, one time, you know, me and Michelle Michelle on labor right there, you know. And Michelle say my guy singing, me say Michelle me nah go, you know. Because me go and me hear one labor right song, me and them a go war. And Michelle say, all right, me I go. Me the next man, Michelle say, Chuni, me glad you not come because as me hear me say me tell you. No can me got them the place there because them the place they make me not like them thinking that hey me I go tell us when Dana Shandy dead and Dana then go up a cemetery and I pay shower them up shower. I pay shower and a shower. I say a shower rain come you see all Dana much down in the wall. A priest a rain fall. Them have to take off all them boots for carry Dana down in the wall. Me say yes man. Me wet up to you know, me wet up in a shower. Me get a lot of wetting. But me say yeah man, no shower no one. No, take shower. Me say Dana drowned in a hole again. No, them business.
Chini, say once my did it 2 times.
2 times Dana dead. Dana dead and then he got drowned in a hole.
Say please. We can't buddy.
You know,
Yes, I mean at the building, a girl.
yeah, do you know what pen?
There, listen to her now.
Mr. Mirage them have the
What you mean you sabotage igloo this year? You know the igloo.
Yeah, man. Ryan, then Miguel, man, I did Miguel.
me did I go igloo, you know. Never did I go and Mirage say have the place locked. They lose the lock.
You still a campaign?
Yes, you ever see Morais campaign? You ever see
When
him
it,
campaign?
when it just come out a couple nights, I see one told ugly girl on TikTok. See them a campaign. But me not see them a visit.
Oh man, interested to the mouth.
When they have campaign, and me say they have meet now, all in come up, they come say when and they introduce him. Shower labor right? We got the place locked.
Jesus.
I'll show up 2 fingers and come off in a tight pants.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
Not ready.
Me
Not
no know
ready.
who comes there go be MP. Then who you can represent we? Yeah, man. Me no know. Me no know make liberty so wicked to them won't
Thing
say.
about, I know wicked. They know say they can't win Central, so they now waste no time find a good
Right,
candidate.
Camille, me talk.
Then just chuck anything on Central.
Not even one office they have. Bush out then stay, where they locate.
Listen to me, they have office at the bottom of Cock Street. This as they enter Cock Street from town.
But the old container.
Yeah, them, yes, that's a them day by day project to green it up.
Jesus, then they have over the place like them.
I did
The container where used to be. The container where used to be the youth information center. That the container there, do you know?
No man, further up the road, from this way. On the other side of the road. If you come shot, then they put the road to go across from Island. So.
Oh, right, the shot, then sell the parts.
Mm-hmm.
Sell the parts.
Right, yeah.
I think that's Daniel. Then little bit and stay at me said at them cut Jesus slippers.
Them what happens is that the council they get all container put down in office.
Oh.
So they smell it.
Mm-hmm.
So they must just control in his office, guy.
So then look at that guy name you see, and when you look, Smiley did there for 8 years, and I don't see what Smiley do. What Smiley? What Maria?
When they?
You know, come
A long time I not seen Tunil. Long time.
Him got a meeting.
You know me, but you know come around.
You look like
You know
him and
come
Trisha
around.
gone.
Trisha left long time. Trisha that one long time.
You like him and Trisha just missing so. I wonder what them there.
You don't have to go across you know come around. You come out the road once.
Okay.
Why me I tell us I saw the leave the same labor right them every time.
On the same man have to probably find something game making can buy food.
You better go on to query.
Man query not talk.
Karen don't talk.
So you can't get back in work up a courthouse if
You can't
buy the
Do
clothes.
what?
You can't do that. You can't do that.
You can't do that again and go into politics. You're mad.
Mighty God, we don't know why them people, why they don't think
And
before
that's
they
why
do
me I
something.
tell. That's why me I tell Marad say better in time when they.
Ask Hector on a tailor shop. I beg him, say, man, if you're gonna have money and you don't have profession, you don't have one business, not getting that's up there. Can you let the job you get you sure a salary a month and take out the judge. Once you get in the politics, you know, you listen to keep them right at court's corner, there's not one going there. You must have it's hard, you know. Me don't know where more get
All them in a fin them little small corner right there. So where them flap, but out they flap, you know. Cause me not really too see nobody. They
me say nobody now go there again.
smell the defeat, man. They smell it.
Sometimes I just see
God
man.
mercy, me can't bother.
Sometimes she might make a couple she sit down with him couple of hours and then go
Ooh,
Apache.
yanda.
Yonder, yeah.
Well, she just boy, then just walkless so. Why the liberate them so walkless?
I mean, you say your candidate sue Yonder.
If he sue him,
And
if he sue her.
my big people go to her team say, drop my big and drop the case. She must have
Yes, everyone last of them forget so.
Then we have to stand up. We have to stand up for something. We can't just fall for nothing. So everybody come take step for people and out that with them bright set. Everything then call him a name.
Then
Stop it.
call up in name and talk on sitting and him slash her with a lawsuit, slap her with a lawsuit near. So she a fret like hell.
It's looking good, Camille. It's looking good. Thursday looking good. You know, Camille asking a question.
They look good.
You can't ask if something here look good. If Western could have pulled such a crowd, what do you think I got when you touch Central?
See them girl. Trisha. Diane.
Yeah, we're ready. Auntie Cambo, we're ready.
Ah, Jesus, I mean, not did that
Trisha
girl.
Walpen. Condolences again.
Yes, darling.
Condolences
Hello?
again.
Just scratch me,
You hear me,
girl.
baby?
Yeah, we
Big
are
up
here,
yourself.
Trisha.
Okay, yes. Boss, I leave Thursday.
They don't know about us now, but supposed to.
Okay,
Trisha, you're a big man, you know, can't get your little car, man. You know,
Me not know if me not know yet. Me not know my daughter. Me not sure go.
you can't ask that neither. I don't know what kind of question that you ask.
Me not sure go work, man.
Oh, so she
Oh, you want to go
shower
on the
work
thing?
and-
You want to go on the motorcade?
Yeah, me want to buy motor key this time. Me not go jerk this trip. Yeah. Decide I want to enjoy myself this time.
Me I tell you, Camille, me a mad out. Me a mad
Yes.
out.
No, but that jerk. I want to go up on the excitement. I love the excitement.
Jesus have mercy.
It's not normal, you know.
Akila, we must have one and few bus. Because the month of we don't come without drive.
Yeah, we say we want bus. Should you
If
want?
somebody say can rent in truck, me there and my cousin, somebody say can rent in truck. You have the right color.
Oh, daddy Batman. The man that always a come from people live and wow with himself, you know. Nothing
Me there and
but
my cousin, me there, me you walk one, we don't know, but now if just be strong,
One
mama.
PNP. I want one PNP night. I don't know. I talk to him already, but we wait till after the
parents in truck.
Okay.
You want one PNP for the night. We aim for the girl there. Pastor, my sister-in-law. But I tell them to pay 2 PNPs and let her rotted. And the labor right then gone. I'm finish drop back one of the labor rights song and they run in again.
Alright, son. Huh?
Oh, God.
Yes, and the candlelight. I put a sharp Virginia play, you know.
You should have been a labor rights song. Them lucky.
Let us jump a little one and just look to
When was the candlelight?
Saturday.
Oh, Saturday gone?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, them pitney do they all right?
Yes, man, me have them, yeah, man, with me. I left me out.
That's good. Okay.
I turn back my dog again for them.
Yeah, you have to. You have to, go, brother.
Yeah, man.
Watch me, son, Omar, man.
And this a mad them, Chuni. And this a mad
Yes, me see. That I'm at them.
Them face Morais, now my face up here, you have to put Newell right after me get a face back him up there.
Where are you? After your place, nobody can tell
in there, the crossing. Turning on my, not the
Then I mean represent Morais yet.
Yeah, that me I said, we don't hear that.
No, sir.
Then have another.
Yes, I don't know what I'm going to do. I want to come meet with him already.
No business board that. Then
I want to Audrey, then after the girl where the back of him, the Audrey, she name.
Only Audrey.
The embassy, that girl where they say that come join him.
Senator Audrey Marks Trisha, where they want to see him. That former political ombudsman.
I know. Shine through the party one time.
Ryan, that look good. When I'm election, that you gotta represent somebody.
The party one time.
The one them gonna start walk and make people know him and so Ryan.
You see the party fees because she come from Islington. She'd have a better chance.
And Islington she come from.
Where she come from?
She come from Western.
Islington she come from.
No, where don't get the name? Where don't get the name? She come from a place don't
Jessica.
One place don't get of it true.
Jessica, I think.
Well,
so you know things say she could do a better job than Morais.
Nobody knows.
We're not really business. We're not really business.
Anything no good.
Maybe the only thing, maybe in my opinion, maybe the only thing she would have been a more eloquent speaker than him. But
nobody remember 2000 again.
All right, and your boss said nobody knows.
Yes, so if you know say you're that. Your personal life and you own payment.
You left your place. Abandon your place.
To develop sense.
Yeah.
So why now you
want
to come back and say
anything come I go dead.
What?
Anything come Camille I go dead. So make them
they want to rate him. Remember the team want come take set up. I'm supposed to do something.
call?
Well, Uncle, but Dino, being that you're more experienced than me, because I think when I time when I'm much smaller, you go for council candidate, right? Why in a most instance, like the councillor candidate, most of them not stay and they always at loggerheads with somebody or something. And why even if them then get elected and they not win the seat, why they not stay and develop themselves and make the people then still get to know them? Because I think character is everything in my opinion.
Yeah, but it depends on the interest the person have in politics, you know. For example, Central, for example, as a child growing up, me going to see Labour as councillor Port Mayor, the boy. That